Right, hi guys, this is just carrying on while the hot tub's filling up. We thought we'd talk through the start-up pack that I brought to get the hot tub up and running, so all the chlorine. Yeah. So this is the pack I brought. I think this was 25 pack. Can I see that box, Ash?
Oh yeah.
Right, so we've got a clear water spa starter kit. So what they say is you fully sort the water out on your first hit, then you just need maintenance after that. So I'm just going to read through the instructions quickly so we can talk it through. So step 1, add the booster's dose of the stabilized chlorine granules. So we've got the chlorine granules. You add this to your spa immediately after filling with water, right? So that is the larger dose than normal that is required, so for the brand new spa. So normally you need to aim for a free chlorine level of 3, but the booster dose will raise the chlorine level to approximately 10 milligrams, and this high level needs to be maintained in the spa for a minimum of 2.5 hours. These high level is likely to remain in the spa for at least 24 hours, but will gradually fall over time. So that's that. So how much stabilizing chlorine granules do I need? So for this tub it's 1,000 litres. I need approximately 4 tablespoons, or 4 teaspoons, which is 20 grams. So I need 20 grams of that straight away. What else have we got? Always pre-dissolve the granules using clean warm water in a clean container and carefully apply to your spa with the pump and filter running. So it needs to be on when you add all that. Okay, step 2. Add a dose of stabilized chlorine granules and test the spa water using the 3-way tester strips. You hook show them that one. So there's some strips in there, you pop them in and it tests the water and it will indicate on the strip the chlorine level. In fact, it says there. So we've got, so once you've got the results from that one, it says ideal range is 3 to 5, and then you're rocking and rolling. So step 3, adjust the pH using the pH plus or pH minus. So then they give you pH plus, Ashton, that one there, and they give you that one there. Do you want to show them that one? That will then, using the sticker, the tabs there, will tell you where to go with that. What else have we got here? Did you know? Sorry, I'm just reading as we go. It's a combination of circulating the water and the cartridge filter, collecting debris along with regular chemical treatment that keeps the spa water safe and crystal clear. So you need this process to you know, really sort the water out as it goes in. That's it in a nutshell. Like I said, this set here was £25, I think, from the same place. Then after you've done this and you've run out, you only need then the keep maintaining the water. I think you do that every other day, and then you can check it with top it up with the granules.
We would recommend this.
Oh, it says here, just a quick one, sorry Ashton, how often do I need to drain and refill my spa? And it says our country's not in on the options there. Every 4 to 6 weeks. So over time, a build-up of the pollution from bathers can lead to dull water, makes the water more difficult to look after. To avoid this, it is recommended to refresh the water by draining and refilling every 4 to 6 weeks. That's what it says here, but we can look into another one. So that's it in a nutshell. So we'll follow that process through when the water's when the thing's full, and yeah, we can go from there. Hope that helps. Again, like and subscribe, and then we can go.